Okay, let's go. So today we're going to look at the P4VJS API, which provides JavaScript hooks into P4V. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Tools section, Manage Tools, HTML tabs, and we're going to create a custom tab. So here we'll hit New, Tab. We can call it Explore P4VJS API. And here we will point to a local index.html file. I have one already. Let me just show you really quick. Right here in this directory. And if you see there's an index.html file, and if I look at it, you'll see it's pretty simple. Oops, it's quitting right. And so I will go ahead and put that path to that index.html file here. So it would be slash home grep screencast P4V index.html. The important thing is you're going to need this inspect checked, and view page source is important too, but not as important as inspect in this case. So you hit OK, and you can see that we have the tab here. Hit OK, and to access it, we can go View, Explore P4VJS API, which just brings up that HTML file in this tab. And so what we want to do here is right-click, Inspect. And this will bring up the developer tools console. And if you're a web developer, this will feel super familiar. So from here, you will hit console. And let's move this over a bit so we can see the log. So we're going to write custom log messages. So here in the console, we automatically have access to the P4VJS object. And here there are tons of functions and objects and constants that we can use. So in this case, let's take a look at the different log types that we can output to the log pane. Here, if you can see this object, there's all these different errors, info, warning, and the summaries. So what we can do now is hit P4VJS, write log, and the first parameter will be a log type, so it'll be one of these. So in this case, I can type out the literal error and the message. I am an error, let's say. And as you can see in the log pane, I am an error, and the custom error icon shows up. Now, if we wanted to use this log type, these constants directly, we can also do that. We can do P4VJS, write log. We would do it like, we would have to call P4VJS again, log type, and then we can pick what we want to use. So let's say in this case, we'll say error summary, and we can say I am an error summary. And as you can see I am an error summary, and you see the red arrow, which is the icon denoted for the error summary type. Let's see, let me clear the screen here. So that's just a simple sort of exploration into what is capable with the P4VJS API. If you take a look, there are just a ton of different things you can do. So these are asynchronous, so if you want to, for example, get the API version, you will get it will return a promise, and as it fulfills, you'll see the result, which is 3.3.0. You are able to await these functions, so you can do P4VJS API. Oops, I mean .get API version, and it will return the result as soon as it's done. This is synchronous. So that's just a little example.